Rolling. 1, 2, 3, go. What's your name?
I am Jean Carlos Miguel Oreyes.
How old are you?
I'm 18.
What is your profession?
I am currently a student.
What kind of mountaineering activity experience?
I did hiking when I was 15. 2021 yun sa
Mount
Mount Balagbag.
Balagbag. Is this your hobby? Or do you want to experience it and is as an
I want to experience it only as an act because nung umakyat kami ng Mount Balagbag, niyaya lang ako ng friends ko. And my stamina is not fit for like hiking, so no, not hobby.
Okay. What do you want to advise us who is planning to explore such kind of activities?
Una kong advice pag mag-hiking kayo is mag-stretching. Bring a lot of water kasi nung nag-hiking kami, napagod talaga ako nun as in. So, a lot of water. Tent kung gusto nyo mag-stay sa taas. And possibly, kung possible, mag-tour guide kayo. Kasi baka, baka dangerous dun sa aakyatan nyo. And yun lang. Okay na ba di ako tumitingin sa camera? Ulit nga, tingin ako sa camera.
Yo, pre.
Wait lang.
Hoy na yan!